ever seen a YouTube video with millions of views, a robotic voice, stock visuals, and not a single face on the screen? And then you wonder who is behind this? How are they doing it? What if I told you you could create the same kind of videos without showing your face, without hiring anyone, and without editing for hours? In this video, I will reveal insanely powerful AI tools that can help you build an entire YouTube channel completely faceless. So the first tool you are going to use is obviously ChatGPT, the most renowned AI tool here. So what you're going to do, give the ChatGPT a prompt, very simple prompt, write a story, okay? So it will write a beautiful story for you, a short and a mini story for you. Once it's done, let's take the story is under 2000 characters or it's about 2000 characters. It looks small, under 2000 characters, so I will just copy it. And here is the second tool we are going to use is Windows AI. It's the most famous and best tool for generating many AI content. Here you can see the list of AI tools. There are a lot of numerous AI tools, AI taking photo, AI text to video, AI image to video, AI URL to video, and many more. Once you see is hot, free, and new. New means the tools that are introduced new now in Windows.ai, and hot means which are paid. Free means those tools which are absolutely free and don't require any fees or upgradation. Hot means paid tools. Okay, there is a limit for hot tools that you can use it at a limit. So which tool we are going to use is text to speech. Hot tool. It's also an hot tool, but we are going to use for under limitation. So click on it. Here you can see number of options, like here you can see female voices, male voices, high pitch voices, low pitch voices, child voices, everything. So you just want to choose what you're going to choose. Likewise, first voice is Amber voice. Third voice is Libby, so they are both female voices, but between them there's Christopher voice. Christopher voice is magnetic formal male voice.
AI brings your idea to high quality.
So we are going to choose this one. Okay, what you're going to do is just paste that story here and click on generate audio. So it will generate auto and audio for you, an AI voiced audio. Okay. So we'll wait until it generates. So here
in a
it
small
is.
coastal village where the sea whispered secrets to the sand, lived an old man named Elias. Every morning, he walked to the edge of the cliff with a letter in his coat pocket.
So we have got a very beautiful and decent AI voiced audio. What we're gonna do is just download that audio and store it into our PC. Okay, we have got our audio downloaded. Now what we're gonna do is just moving towards the next tool, which is called Lumen 5. A lot of you guys are already known of it, but don't know how to use it actually. So here you get new video, create a single video. What is the use of this tool? This tool also have a lot of actions, a lot of tasks, but what we're gonna do is just change our text to a video form. Here are the steps to create a video. First, you're going to choose the template, okay? So we are picking up this one for this example right now. Click on it, and the next step you're gonna skip it. So we are creating our story into a video form, so we'll choose this one, text to media. Click on it and write the same story here, paste it. Okay, so you have two options. Compose script means AI is involved, but if you want to use it as it is, use skip and use all content as is. Click on it. Okay, then we'll wait and it will create a very beautiful video for us. Here we go. Now it's creating scenes in video. So the best part of this tool is it creates video in milestones, means in many parts. You can add or remove the parts from video. Okay, so here it created the first part. You can see, yes, it looks very good. It has also its default voice. So we'll wait until all the scenes are created. Once all the scenes are created, we'll click on preview. Okay, we'll preview it. Let's see. So it looks quite amazing. It's the best video to upload on YouTube. The next step, what you're gonna do is just click on publish. When you click on public, it will create a download link for you. You can click on download and download it. So the next step is what you have to do is just combine this video and that audio we have generated on Windows. So what you're gonna do is just heading towards the new tool or new tool 123 apps video editor. Just type this on Google Chrome. Here you go. This is a best tool to edit normal type of videos. It's not for advanced editing, but it's for normal video edit. What you're gonna do is just click on video icon and video editor. Click on it, skip the ad, and create project. Just upload these two.
In a small
There you
coastal
go.
village where the sea whispered secrets to the sand, lived an old man named Elias. Every morning, he walked to the edge of the cliff with a letter in his coat pocket, worn and creased from years of folding. He lived alone in a stone cottage filled with silence and books. No one knew much about him, only that he had once been
You have got a very beautiful video that you can upload on YouTube. So what is the next step? Just save it. Here it is. Just save. Click on the save icon and export it. And that's it. 3 powerful AI tools to help you create faceless YouTube videos with ease. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite tool. Keep creating, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.